All right, this is Lucas's birthday. For his birthday, he got a Holosun that he's been asking for from his parents. So this is the kind of Holosun that it is. So he's gonna take apart his pistol, show that it's unloaded. What type of pistol do you have there?
Got a Sig Sauer P365 XL Spectracom.
This is him taking it. So he just took the top part off. So you see him here dismantling it. What exactly are you doing?
Taking the slide off the top frame, leaving the firing mechanism inside, spring, barrel. That's my holster.
What type of holster is that?
We the People holster.
Can you show it to us?
Yep. It's a good holster, carbon fiber. Had it for about a year now. Very easily concealed. And I carry it every day.
That's his gift boxes over there. So this is him unboxing the Holosun. You've never had a Holosun before, right?
No, this is my first Holosun.
So why did you want a Holosun?
I take a look at different sights, a lot of SIG sights. I just really like the way the Holosun looks. It's just really bright, and I like the way it looks.
So what is that it came with?
So that's a business warranty card, some directions right here, little moisture pack, cloth to clean. There it is. Very nice. Tool.
Very sturdy box, nicely made. And how much do these Holosuns go for?
Around $200 to $250, even up to $500, you know, if you want to get fancy.
So Lucas is going to show how to put it on.
That's right. Right now I'm taking the mounting plate, well, not the mounting plate, just the cover plate off the slide. I don't have a mounting plate because this is the 407K GR. It's green dot, and it is designed to fit perfectly on top of all Sig Sauer P365s that have a optic ready slide.
Okay. And what is a sight used for?
Just, you know, better when you draw, just immediately have that green dot or red dot, whatever you prefer, to line up with your target. You know, some people say they don't like them on their sight, on their pistols, and some people do. Just depends on who you are, but I wanted to try one out. Because I've been using the iron sights for a long time now, and
What's iron sight?
iron sights are just these on here.
Those little dots.
Mm-hmm.
And that came with it.
That's right. And it's great. It's been great. But
How many times have you shot it with the iron sights?
many times. Definitely put around 500 plus rounds through this pistol. I'm having some trouble getting this side off. I might have to go get my screwdriver. Yeah, it's not wanting to come off.
So one of the screws came off pretty easy, but this one's kind of tight.
It seems like it's a little stripped or something. All right. That's all right, I have a tool.